Hello dear students, today I'm going to explain you the content related to stative and dynamic verbs corresponding to the week number 1. Verbs in English can be classified into two categories, stative verbs and dynamic verbs. Dynamic verbs, sometimes referred to as action verbs, usually describe actions we can take or things that happen. Stative verbs usually refer to a state or a condition which is not changing or likely to change. The difference is important because stative verbs cannot normally be used in the continuous be plus ing forms. This will explain the differences between the two types of verbs and give lots of examples of each kind. Stative verbs. Stative verbs. Verbs that aren't used in continuous tenses, like the present continuous or the future continuous. These verbs often describe states that last for some time. These verbs don't show physical action like I run or processes like eat prints. Examples: I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. This is a situation that is not gonna change. You are not never gonna stop having a sister. The other example: she didn't remember to do her homework. Remember, it's a stative verb. It is a condition that is not gonna change, okay? That's why we call them stative verbs. Dynamic verbs. A dynamic verb is a verb used to indicate an action, process, or sensation, also known as non-stative verb or action verb. Also, they are verbs that can be used in continuous form, and this is a difference from the stative verbs. Now let's look at the examples. Okay, the first sample: she ran 20 kilometers before hurting her ankle. Run is an action, okay, and it's something that's gonna stop in some time. The other example: I was reading a book when you called. Read is an action. Thank you guys. If you have any question, you can ask me to this email address. Okay, it was a pleasure, and remember to write everything down on your notebooks, please. Remember to do it.